Hello everyone, I'm Vivek Pattani and today I'm going to discuss about the bacterial structures which are external to the cell wall of the bacteria. So today I am going to discuss the bacterial structures which are external to the cell wall of the bacteria. So which are the structures basically which are external to the cell wall. Okay, they are basically capsule. Here basically capsule, flagella, villi, posticate, sheath, stalk, and I'm going to discuss all these structures right now in this video. So what is a capsule? Many bacterial species are basically surrounded by a viscous substance, which leads to accumulation of a gelatinous material on the cell wall known as capsule. Okay, so the production of the capsule is governed by the genetic and the environmental factors like different growth factors, presence or absence of capsule degrading enzymes, etc., etc. So capsule may vary in thickness and rigidity, and they may or may not be closely associated with the bacterial cell surfaces. So they can be easily visualized using the light microscopic technique, using a capsule staining technique. There are many of the techniques through which we can stain a capsule. Okay, so if they cannot be seen under light microscope, okay, they are termed as microcapsules. Still, they can be demonstrated immunologically. And capsule material is basically is not basically what highly water soluble in some instances. So therefore, they do not easily diffuse away easily from the cells which are producing it. However, in many of the conditions, such as highly water soluble capsules which are easily able to dissolve in the medium, which basically increases the viscosity of the broth. Okay, so basically the chemical composition of the capsule is variable, usually composed of complex polysaccharides or disaccharides, either alone or in the combination with the nitrogen containing substances, and polypeptide in others. For example, Bacillus anthracis. In case of Bacillus anthracis, it is composed of entirely of polymers of the glutamic acid. So what are the functions of the capsules? So depending on the species, the capsule serves several important functions, of which first one of them is it provide the protection against drying under the unfavorable conditions. If the conditions are not proper, for example, there is lack of nutrients. Okay, uh, let's say there is less amount of water in the surrounding area, etc. So there can be variety of unfavorable conditions, and these capsules also block the attachment of the bacteriophages. Bacteriophage would not be easily be able to attach to a bacteria, okay, if the bacteria is capsulated, and also play an important role in the virulence of the pathogenic bacteria, okay, by protecting the pathogenic bacteria from the phagocytosis. Just give some of the idea. There are many of the bacteria which produce capsule, okay, and are harmful to human beings, okay, but not all capsulating bacteria are harmful. Sometimes this capsule itself is responsible for the virulence, okay, and by the oh sorry, due to the presence of the capsule, there are chances that this bacteria may be protected from maybe let's say protected from the human body defense mechanisms, okay, may resist, not protect but resist from the human body mechanisms. immune mechanisms. So what are the functions, other functions of the capsule? Basically, capsules help in the attachment of bacteria to various surfaces so as to help them survive in the natural environments like streams, plant roots, teeth, tissues, etc. And capsules are composed of compounds having an electrical charge, and they will promote the stability of the bacterial suspension by preventing the cells from aggregating and settling out. So the capsules can also serve as a storage for food substances, and also the storage site for the disposal of the waste material. Okay, so if you want to view the whole video, okay, please download the Science Edutech app and also subscribe this channel, and also subscribe Mr. Sagar Sonara's channel also. Okay, if you want to again I'm repeating it, if you want to view the complete video and also like to study the presentation, download the presentation, please download the Science Edutech app and purchase the course Basics of Microbiology. And this course is useful for students who are studying microbiology. Okay, it's just the basics of microbiology.